You've probably already seen this face. This is Khaby, the second most followed TikToker in the world. With more than 130 million followers, he is known for silently mocking overly complicated life hack videos. But did you know that this young man had a very rough beginning? He never imagined in a million years that TikTok was going to change his life. Born in Senegal, when he was only 1 year old, his family moved to Chivasso, Italy, and lived in a public housing complex for families with low income. In 2020, without a warning, he was fired from his job in a factory, and because he was unemployed and didn't have enough money, he had to return to live with his family in their modest apartment. His parents were worried that their son was wasting his time posting videos instead of looking for a job. But in only a year and a half, Khaby went from being unemployed and fearing poverty to becoming a millionaire with more than 130 million followers on TikTok. He made all of his money by using humor and sarcasm without even saying a word. He's the perfect example that you're just one simple idea away from a totally different life. So, what's your story?